What's the meaning of British Leyland? British Leyland. British Leyland.
British Leyland. British Leyland. British Leyland was a British vehicle manufacturing company formed in the mid-1960s, incorporating several well-known British car brands. The goal was to create a national champion car company that could compete with major global players. However, the company suffered from mismanagement, poor labor relations, and quality control issues, resulting in a decline in sales and reputation. Despite government aid and several attempts at restructuring, British Leyland ultimately collapsed in the 1980s due to financial difficulties, leaving behind a legacy of failed industrial policy and cultural change.